Are you tired of mixing paint and not getting the right consistency? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I use the ready mix pouring paint from Artist Loft, 5 amazing colors, to create these beautiful cells. Check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Check out the lineup. All right, I'm using all Artist Loft paint in today's video, and they're all ready mix pouring paint. Yes, you heard me. Ready mix pouring paint. Don't need to add anything to it. Don't pour in medium. It's all good to go. The only issue that I had was that I had some older paint, like the yellow that I'm using right now. It was a bit thicker than let's say the neon pink, which is a newer bottle. So I'm showing you the consistency. You can see it's very thick. So I'm just going to go ahead and add just a drip of water and just the colors that I think is a bit too thick, and it won't change anything with the paint. Okay, it's just a drip of water and you will see how far that drip goes. I mean, I just put a bit in it, as you can see right now, just a bit, and then I'm just going to use my popsicle stick and mix it really good. And then, as you can see, it brought it to the consistency that I want for today's painting. I'm doing this experiment because, you know, I have some followers, some great friends on Facebook who reach out to me that they're trying so hard to get cells, you know, beautiful pearl cells. And I know sometimes it can be a bit disheartened when you're trying and you're not getting the result that you want. So I thought, you know what, let's try the ready mix paint. These are the paints that I have right now. The Artist Loft, I do have a lot of Artist Loft ready mix paint. And you know, I said, you know what, let me give this a try. The only thing that I did was my black paint. It's the flow acrylic. It was not ready mix. So the black paint that I use, it's the only thing that I've used for my previous paint, and where the ingredients are the same. You know, I did add the paint conditioner, the Paint Easy by Wagner paint conditioner, and I did use a zinsser to mix in that black paint. Okay, so that's the only thing that's similar to all the other ingredients that I've used, but the colors, they are just nothing I've added to it but just the water if I need to add water, because some of my paints are older, so I did add water. Okay, but yeah, the black paint is the same for all the others that I've used previously. So maybe the magic is in the black paint. I don't know. But, you know, I'll be doing a video after this one because, like I said, guys, it's all experiments. Okay, and my follow-up video for this one will show the black paint has no paint conditioner in it, no zinsser latex extender. It's just the pouring medium, the Artist Loft pouring medium. Okay, so I do want you guys to come back tomorrow maybe, or the next day, where I'll be doing a follow-up video for this one, showing you a second attempt of creating different cells, you know, compare them and see which one turned out, you know, better, and you guys let me know. Okay, but I just want to mention too that the black paint, you know, sometimes if you're off in terms of if it's too thin, it will create the cells to be developed a bit more. Okay, so remember, guys, this was my first experiment and you will see, so don't go away, just stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I know I'm yapping right throughout the video, but I want to show you this, guys. Remember, if you were watching previously, you would notice that I was adding water to some of my colors. The white, I add water. The yellow, I know I add the water. The pink, look at the pink. Okay, this is a brand new bottle of the neon pink, and I didn't add water to it because the consistency was just right. I don't know if it's showing properly, but yeah, it was just right. It flows right off. It leaves just the right amount of that I want when I pour it back from the popsicle stick. So that was okay. It didn't add no water to that. All right, and I'm working on a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas. When I'm doing my experiment, I like to try out first on a smaller canvas, and if it does work out, guys, you know, I go for bigger. And I want to encourage you to do the same. Okay, just try it smaller, try a small amount. All the paints all in the cup right now. It's a 1-ounce cup. They are just little wine testers and our shot glass cups, and I just poured in there, and you know, I didn't even use all the colors. So I mix more than I want. Well, I pour more than I really want in the cup. And in the black paint, it was probably 5 ounces of black, and I didn't use all. So it's a small canvas. You have to feel it, make some adjustment, you know, guys. So try and let me know. You guys have to adjust as you go, okay? So today I decided to add some white in between each colors, and I'm so happy I did that. So, you know, I started off with the yellow, then I add the metallic white. Oh my gosh, it was such a beautiful color. It creates such a shimmer in this painting. I just do love that white paint. And Artist Loft paints, the floor acrylic, this pouring ready mix pouring paint, when it dries, oh my gosh, it has such a beautiful glossy finish, and I just love the way it dries, guys. So do stay tuned for the dried result at the end. Don't go away, guys. And of course, you know, I know I said it earlier, thank you so much for being here. And you know, for all my new visitors, my new subscribers, thank you so much for, you know, showing some support, giving some thumbs up, and sharing the videos with your friends and family. I really do appreciate it. That's what keeps my my channel going. That's how I get to reach more people. And if you're new and if you're returning and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you anything, and it means the world to me. I do want to reach more people, and I do believe that, you know, people out there are creators. We're creative beings, and I want to show you just fun ways of being creative. You know, this is not a talent or a skill. It's all about practice. All right, guys, so you can do this, and I want to encourage you, and I want to inspire someone to really try, because if you do go watch some of my previous videos, you'll see some of my cells, they are not like, you know, they're really wonky, but I'm very persistent. I keep trying. I'm a very resilient person. I don't give up. I just bounce right back up, and I keep going at it, and I want to encourage you to do the same. All right, so I do hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you at the end for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you, guys. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I am loving the colors. That neon pink, oh my goodness, it's just so bright. And you know, the colors are just amazing, and I'm happy, as I said before, guys, that I added the white, you know, in between each colors. I'm loving it right now. I'm looking at it, you know, the yellow and the turquoise give you that greenish look, and it's beautiful. The purple was trying to peep through. I think my purple was a bit thicker than the rest, but it's okay, it's fine. The colors are just amazing, guys. And for this, I'm thinking that my black paint was a bit thinner, you know, because the cells did develop way fast, and you know, but I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, I'm loving those effects. It looks like scale. You know, this painting, this looks so much like an iguana eye, you know, and it's just amazing. The colors are just so magical. I'm loving it, you guys. What do you think about this one? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's check out the dried result. Can you see that iguana eye? It's just beautiful, and the colors are amazing, guys, and there's so much sheen to it. This paint, these pouring paint by Artist Loft, oh my goodness, it has so much sheen to it, and the cells did maintain their shapes and their you know, from the wet result, didn't get wonky. It didn't shift on me. My canvas was leveled, and yeah, it dried just the way I left it. So those are some important things that you have to remember. Make sure your canvas is leveled, and keep checking it, keep scraping the sides. Yeah, I'm loving it, guys. Beautiful colors, and you know, great experiment, don't you guys think? I'm just so happy. I hope I get to encourage someone to try the ready mix pouring paint. If you can get the right consistency, do mix the Artist Loft black paint. You have to mix that, and yeah, try out, guys, and let me know. Check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.